Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida Rahman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift, Science. Today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is Chapter 9, Reading Done, Lecture number 18, Homework number 14, and my name is Sanjida Rahman, and this is my contact number. My dear students, today we will discuss Chapter 9. So let's start our class. Our today's chapter name is Phenomenon of Light. Our today's chapter name is Phenomenon of Light. Now we read this chapter. We cannot see without light. Without light, plants would not grow and animals would not get food, and all the things that we provide us with food and clothes would not grow and exist if there were no lights. That is why it is difficult to think of our existence without light. Light is one kind of energy. I repeat, light is one kind of energy. Light has the capacity to work. That means light is energy. The ability of doing work is called energy. The ability of doing work is called energy. Light travels very fast with a speed of about 3 lakh km per second. Light travels very fast with a speed of about 3 lakh km per second. Had you been able to travel in this speed, you could have traveled round the earth more than 7 times in a second. Scientists believe that nothing can travel faster than light. Whatever might be the source of light, the sun is the ultimate source of light. Without light, we cannot see this beautiful world. And if the light is present, that's why we can see this beautiful world. Now again we discuss lesson number 1 and 2, how light propagates. That means how can light passes. We know that light travels very fast with a speed of about 3 lakh kilometers per second. But how does light travel? Does it travel in a straight direction or take a curvilinear way? Let us engage in a task now. For this task, you will understand how light travels. Task. Take 3 notebook covers of the same size. Place one cover after another in a way that all the edges of the covers meet together on the same line. Now prick all the 3 covers with a thick needle or nail. Now set the 3 boards perpendicularly on the table in a way that the 3 holes remain horizontally in the same line. You can stand the boards vertically using gum or clay or put the cover between 2 books. Now light a candle and place it behind the boards at one end of the table in such a way that the flame reaches the height of the holes. Arrange the 3 boards so that the flame of the candle and the 3 holes of the board stay horizontally in a straight line. Now look at the candle from the other end of the table. You will be able to see the flame of the candle through the holes. Then slightly displace one board so that the 3 holes no more remain in the straight line. Can you see the flame of the candle now? No, you cannot see the flame. Light could not enter your eye through the curved way. What decision you may reach from this? Light do not travel in a zigzag way. So light always travel in a straight way. Light do not travel in a zigzag way. It always travels in a straight direction. The straight line traveled by light is known as the ray of light. Again I repeat, the straight line traversed by the light is known as the ray of light. Lesson 3. How do we see? Why cannot we see anything at night in a dark room? When light reflects or returns from an object to our eye, only then we can see the object. Look at the figure below 9.3. You have to see the figure 9.3. Here there is a light bulb and a cricket ball. We can see the bulb as light coming from the bulb falls on our eyes. Light from the bulb falls on the ball and then reflect back to our eyes. As a result, we see the ball. When light falls on an object, it gets obstructed and goes back. This going back of light is called reflection of light. Objects like the sun, the stars, the firefly, candle, electric bulb, etc. have their own light and they can emit light. These are called luminous objects. They are called luminous objects. Most objects do not have their own light, but they reflect lights of other sources. They are called non-luminous objects. Some objects do not reflect the light falling on them. They rather absorb all the light. Such objects look black. So black is the thing which absorb all the light. We see an object not because of the fact that light from our eyes fall on the object. Rather, light is reflected from that object and falls on our eyes, which make us see the object. Now, task. To know how is see with the help of light, required accessories: 1 shoe box, stone tip and some black paper. Procedure. Take a shoe box with the cover. Wipe the inner side of the box with black paper. Make a small hole on the cover of the box and a big hole on its wall of one side of the box. Keep the stone tip just below the hole of the cover. Place the cover. Close the big hole of the side wall by a thick black paper or tape. Try to see the stone tip through the small hole of the cover. Can you see the stone tip? No, it is not visible. Remove the black paper or tape from the hole of the side wall of the box. Light enters inside the box through its hole. This you try to see the stone through the hole on the covers. Is the stone visible now? Yes, it is. What decision we may reach from this? We can come to the decision that nothing can be seen without light. When light falls on an object and if it is reflected back to our eyes, then we can see the object. Why the blind people cannot see? When light coming from an object and falls on normal eyes, only then the object is seen. Eyes of the blinds are not normal, so they cannot receive the light coming from the object to their eyes. As a result, they cannot see. How can we see writing printed on the page? Any black body or any black writing absorbs light coming from any source, but our eyes receive the light reflected from the white paper. As a result, we can see the printed black words from the white paper. Bright colors absorb more light than the light color. The object that absorbs all the light looks be black. My dear students, I hope you understand our today's class. You will study at your home properly, and after this class you will going for a Eid vacation, that means Ramadan vacation. So in this vacation we do use some homework for your preparation for the next half yearly exam. So the vacation homework for our Ramadan vacation is chapter 7 CQ number 1, chapter 8 CQ number 2, and you will submit this homework on 29th May 2021. Again I repeat, homework for Ramadan vacation is chapter 7 creative question 1 and chapter 8 creative question 2, and submission date 29 May 2021. My dear students, you will study at your home properly, do the homework and submit it in the due time, and till then keep well. Assalamu alaikum.